Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date to what we have coming at you. Look at what we got. We got some nail mail. We got some nail mail. Nail mail. Nail mail. So today we got some nail mail from Makartt. They just launched a new all-in-one acrylic powder system and, all-in-one acrylic and dip powder. So of course, your girl had to order all of them. So I went ahead and ordered the set. And here is the packaging and them out of the box. So, of course, we gotta get to swatching these bad boys and see how this all-in-one acrylic and dip stays up. I'm gonna use it as acrylic. I do dip, but it's not my favorite. So, and this is our pink color, pink Gogh. And you see what the inside looks there. So I'm waiting for it to get all ready, and we're gonna slap it on this nail. And it actually spreads really easy. It's really smooth, and I like that. And it's not marbling. So that's nice. That's why I wanted to do the acrylic, to see if it marbled when you put it down. And it's not, so that makes me happy. And it's a nice pink color. And it gives you time to work with it. So I think this would be a really beginner-friendly system for beginners to use. So I'll just go ahead and let you guys watch as we go through the rest of the swatches. And that's the last of them. And here we have all of our swatches side by side. All in all, I like the line a lot. It's actually really nice, really creamy, really beginner friendly. And like I said, it gives you time to work with. So that's nice. So of course, we gotta do a set, y'all. So we're gonna start out with the pink Gogh. And we are going to put that down just enough to cover up the nail and pull it up just a little bit. I'm going to just push it into that cuticle area. And we're going to work it down. And you see, like I said, it's really easy to work with. And we're going to just repeat the same on the other nails, except for the next nail, I'm going to make a full nail of pink. And we're going to do a little ombre. So I'm just going to slide the pink down. And we're going to do this one with a whole nail. Like I said, push that down to the cuticle area and not like right up against it, just up to it, and then let it kind of flow into the cuticle so you don't flood the cuticle with too much of the acrylic or get it on the skin. So we're going to work that one all the way down to cover the whole nail. And we're going to do the same for this one that we did for the other two. We're just going to cover the bottom and fade it out into the rest of the nail so that we can do a glitter ombre for the other half of the nail. Y'all know some glitter was coming up in this set now. Come on. All right, we got it all cleaned up. So now we can take the clear and I'm going to take a bead of the clear and then dip that into my actual glitter pieces. And you see here, I'm making a mess. And then that'll let you make it kind of like a mix of glitter and acrylic. So I take that and then I put that down and we're just going to work that down into the nail. And work that down into the little piece that we had, the pink that we had put down. So it kind of looks like the glitter blends into it. I thought this glitter mix was so cute with the stars. I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to put that on some nails. And you can pick up pieces like that and put them where you want them to go. You see, I usually work when I'm working with a glitter, acrylic, or anything like that. I'll work a little wetter, but this one was a little too wet. As you see the drip there, so. Put our glitter down on the other nails, and we'll just repeat this on the rest of the nails. So I'll just let you guys watch me apply that glitter to the rest of the nails. After this, I did encapsulate all of the nails, but something happened with my phone to where I didn't get the footage. But yes, you do want to encapsulate all of the nails with clear acrylic after this step. All right, we got those all in there and encapsulated. And I had to go and file them. And now we can go do my favorite part. Go ahead and put down our top coat. My favorite is when we top coat this glitter. Watch this, y'all. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Ooh-wee. I love the way it picks up those stars. That is so pretty. So let's bake that bad boy. And I take it out and I'm like, butterfly. Yes. I've had those butterflies for a while and I'm like, they are perfect for this set. So I'll just put down some glue. Usually for something this big, I would use acrylic or hard gel, but I'm not wearing it, so I'm not going to waste the product. So I just put it on with some glue, and then we go ahead and bake it, and we take it out, and here is the finished product. I really love that sparkle, and I think that butterfly really set it off. So I want to say thank you all for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please leave me a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. And subscribe to this channel so you can see more stuff that we have coming at ya. And as always, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye.